Welcome to the world of Agile. In this presentation, we will demystify Agile methodologies and show you how they can revolutionize the way you work. Let's explore how Agile can help transform unpredictable projects into manageable, flexible, and successful outcomes. Traditional project management often struggles with changing requirements. Let's discuss the problem of project unpredictability. Agile offers a different way of doing things. It's a new approach to handling complexity and change. At the core of Agile lie fundamental values that guide its principles and practices. The Agile Manifesto is the foundation of the Agile philosophy. It's a simple but powerful statement. Let's dive into the 4 key values of the Agile Manifesto. Agile is all about working in short cycles and delivering value at the end of each one. We follow an iterative approach, working in cycles to build our projects step by step. At the end of each iteration, we deliver a tangible increment of value. Scrum is a widely used framework that helps teams implement Agile principles effectively. Scrum provides a clear structure with roles, ceremonies, and artifacts for teams to follow. Scrum defines specific roles like product owner, Scrum master, and development team, and key events like sprint planning, daily Scrum, etc. Agile is not just for software developers. Its principles can be applied in many different fields. From marketing to education, from product development to personal projects, Agile can help you achieve your goals. Let's go through a practical example and apply Agile principles to developing a mobile app. For our first iteration, we will focus on creating a minimum viable product, MVP, for the local news app. After the first iteration, we'll gather feedback and use it to plan the next iteration. Now it's your turn. Let's put these Agile principles into practice with your own project. Start by defining the minimum viable product for your chosen project. Break down what needs to be done for the MVP and plan your first iteration. Implementing Agile comes with both challenges and significant benefits. There may be challenges in adopting Agile, such as resistance to change. However, the benefits are substantial, including increased adaptability and value delivery. Agile is a powerful approach that brings flexibility, adaptation, and significant value to any project. Agile empowers you to be flexible, adapt to changing circumstances, and deliver value consistently. Don't wait. Start applying Agile principles to your work today. We encourage you to share your experiences and connect with others learning Agile. Which Agile principle resonates most with you? Which will you try to apply first? Share your MVP or first iteration plan in the comments below to get feedback and help others on their Agile journey.